The new monitor features a 4K resolution and is compatible with almost all advanced display functions suitable for professional use, including the Rec.2020 and DCI-P3 color spaces, the backlighting of 384 zones to support HDR with maximum brightness up to 1000 nits, a Thunderbolt 3 interface, etc. The monitor comes pre-calibrated naturally and also supports the appropriate hardware if the owners want to recalibrate their devices. ASUS took approximately 15 months to polish its ultra-high-end LCD, which is now available at a high price. The ASUS ProArt PA32UC screen is based on a 32-inch 32-bit IPS/AHVA panel with a resolution of 3840x2160, 178°/178° viewing angles and perhaps the latest generation LED backlight technology with 384 LED zones for dynamic local dimming. FALD backlighting is common in televisions, but is almost unknown in the sending of PC headers, and the PA32UC becomes one of the few monitors that support the function. As a result of its considerable backlighting system, the monitor has a typical brightness of 400 nits as well as a maximum brightness of 1000 nits for the appropriate content. The manufacturer rates the static contrast ratio of the monitor at 1000, not so good for an LCD Pro, a response time at 5 milliseconds GTG, while the refresh rate is 60 Hz. The ProArt PA32UC covers 85% of Rec.2020, BT 2020, 95% of DCI-P3, 99.5% of Adobe RGB and 100% of the sRGB color spaces, as promised by ASUS when it announced initially the screen. The Adobe RGB color space is central to professional photographers and designers who need to edit photos or images for publications, while the sRGB, DCI-P3 and Rec.2020 color spaces are important for video editors and animation designers who post-production work. Meanwhile, ProArt PA32UC's DCI-P3 coverage is below 98%-99% supported by screens aimed primarily at video professionals.